हेलो, वेलकम टू रियल ट्रेड्स चैनल। हमारी तरफ से डिस्क्लेमर ये है कि इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट आर सब्जेक्ट टू 100% मार्केट रिस्क। रेफर योर फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टेंट एडवाइस बिफोर इन्वेस्टिंग। दिस ग्रुप इज ओनली फॉर एजुकेशनल एंड लर्निंग पर्पस। Admins have no responsibility for your intended decision and financial losses. Always analyze the stocks and keep calculated risk before investing in any stocks. Be aware that the invested amount can become zero at any point of time. Stock market investment are very risky, and being part of this channel and group, you agree that you understand the market risk involved. Profit and losses are part of share market. Kindly understand and act wisely. All members, please follow the guidelines as applicable. Now SEBI is more strict about their actions. Please do kindly cooperate and act accordingly. This channel and group do not provide any tips or recommendations or advice. All updates or posts or discussions are only for educational and learning purpose. Do consult your financial advisor before taking trades or investment decisions. Group and channel admins or members are not responsible for your financial losses. Disclaimer, disclosure or terms and conditions are applicable to all members of this channel. You staying in the group means you accept the terms and conditions mentioned above. And if you do not accept, then please do exit from the channel and group. We are not a SEBI registered advisors. All the posts are for education and learning purpose only. Thank you.
Welcome to RealTrades channel. So in our previous video, we showed how our customized indicator on Nifty option selling sideways indicator performed for the month of November market, and today we will see how this indicator performed on our today's channel. That is November 13, and we'll see how the trades went and we made profit or loss. We will check that. And as you might already know, that whenever there is a yellow color background, we have to apply the short straddle strategy or iron pointer strategy, whichever is like used for the sideways market. And we recognize only the sideways market indicator, and then whenever there is a red zone, we have to change our parameters so that we can bear with the movements, bullish or bearish movements, and then we shall minimize the loss or we exit in the small profit or finally in the profit. So let's see how the trades went for today, 13th of November. I'll jump into the very first candle now of the day, and let's see how the trades will do. So the thing is, we need to see as soon as the market is opened. Yes, the market is open, and the market, the nearest strike price when it was open, and within a very first minute it was 23,800. So we have to keep the spot value here as 23,800, and as soon as you apply that, the yellow background would be there, and we have to do the short straddle for the next week expiry. And let's continue with our trade, and we see what will be the short straddle price, and how much for how much price we made an entry, and how much price we made an exit. So at the time when this straddle was taken, the short straddle entry price was 373, and we will move ahead and see at what price we are exiting. So the thing is, you need to understand the most of the days or most of the session will finally come to the sideways. The bearish or bullish momentum throughout the day will be very rare, and whenever that comes, we have to change our parameters and try to reduce our losses, because the sideways market strategies which we use, either short straddle or iron pointer, all these strategies will make a huge loss whenever there is a huge bullish or bearish momentum comes. So we need to bear with this market movements, and then we have to make the profit. So at the end of the day, we have to see whether we are exiting with the profit or not. But today, as you can see, like on 13th of November, we have made like almost 3 hours of session now, and just one trade we are still dealing with it. 23,800 strike price, we made an entry at 373, and here you can see the red zone is there. And whenever there is a red zone, we have to exit the previous short straddle strategy, and at that point of exit time, it was 369. So we made 4 points of profit in this trade without any stress, without any headache. We have to just wait until the red zone comes, and as soon as the red zone comes, we have to exit our trade. So as soon as we have this red zone, we have to see what is the nearest strike price we can choose here, and then we have to go here and change the spot value. And the spot value here is around 675, which is like 23,650 we can choose. And as soon as you choose, you can see the color turn to yellow here in the background, and then we have to take this particular short straddle at this price for the next week expiry. And then we have to again continue with our session and with our indicator and the market, and we have to see when the red zone appears again. At that point of time, we have to exit. So when we made entry at this point of time, the price of this short straddle was 368, and then we have to just wait until the next red zone comes. So why we do this particular kind of a sideways market strategy is because we don't have to take too many trades. We don't have to stress ourselves with whatever market condition comes. So as you can see, this particular red zone started here at 1436, and this point of time we have to exit the previous short straddle which we have made. And the previous short straddle price the entry was made at 368, and even during the exit time, the price of this short straddle was 368. So we did not lose anything in this particular trade, and in the previous trade we made 4 points of profit. And at this point of time, here you can see at 1436, so we can just mark out here with the black mark or something to just mark away. And here we can see that the nearest strike price was around 570, 23,570. Then we have to make the necessary changes here, and the spot value has to be updated here. And at this point of time, if you see, the background is yellow color, and then we have to continue with our trade. The short straddle price at the time of entry was 379, which is here, and then we have to just wait until the next red zone appears. If not, then we have to exit at 3:15. So as you can see, 3:15, the red zone appeared at 15:30, but we have to exit our trade at 15:15. So which is here. So the thing is, we just took just 3 trades here from the time of entry at this point of time, okay, which we exited at. Let's see what was the exit at that point of time, which is here. And yes, so let's disable this. Now we can see the total trades which we have taken throughout the day in this bearish market is just 3 trades. So first entry we made at 23,800 strike price, which short straddle we made an entry at 373 and exited at 369, which is of 4 points profit. And during this point of time, this trade, second trade, we made a short straddle at 23,650, and in this trade we did not lose or we did not gain or we did not made like any profit here. So it was just cost to cost exit. 368 was the entry price and 368 was the exit price. But in third trade, as you can see, it was like completely sideways, and at the time of entry, the short straddle price was 379 and the exit price was 372. So what we can learn here is in this trade, very first trade, we made 4 points profit. In this trade, we did not lose or we did not gain any profit. But in the last trade, we made 7 points of profit. So totally 11 points profit for today's trade. So what we can learn or what we have to understand here is we don't have to go to the option buying strategies, which will make losses for any person if traded like without any good strategies, option buying strategies. So we have to go with option selling strategies, which is of sideways market, which remains to be sideways for most of the time in most of the trading days. So that is why we can easily make profit in the sideways market conditions. So what we have earned today is just 11 points per day. In this today's date, we have earned 11 points of profit, and in yesterday's session there was 9 points of loss, and previous to previous market day we earned 16 points of profit. So you can go through our previous videos, and also here the entry and exit price I'll put up in the corner here. You can verify with the next week expiry trades, strike prices trades. So just look at the strike price we were choosing and the entry and exit price. You can go and verify. So that would be same as we did not modify or anything like that. So we made totally of 11 points of profit today. So going on every day we do the similar kind of trades, and every day if we make around 5 to 10 points of trade in an average, 5 to 10 points of profit per trading day in an average, then we 50 points of profit per day. So what 50 points of profit per week? So finally at the end of the month we could earn at least 150 points, and that is how you can make or compound using this indicator, which is Nifty option selling sideways indicator. So this is what we wanted to tell you guys, like do not go for option buying strategies. Instead you can just choose the sideways strategy, which are short straddle or iron counter strategy, which will be useful for our trades. So it was just 3 trades we took throughout the day, and we made 11 points of profit without any stress or a headache. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like our analysis video, then please do like and subscribe to our channels. The links are in description.